Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you a brand new prompts for Bart AI, so you will be ahead of the curve as usual, guys. So first of all, let's say you're working on some very data oriented material. You have to present this material in a different shape, so we're going to create an infographic here on Bart AI. You're gonna ask Bart AI, can you create an graphic about the US debt. Let's see. This is very important because this simply will represent big data in a different comprehensive way. Let's see. The looming mountain. A look at the US debt. The US national debt is a colossal figure, often difficult to grasp. Headline. Main image, the mountain range composed of stacks of $1 bills, weak power. Key statistics, the total debt is $34.2 trillion as of October. The debt per capita is $106,000. Annual interest payment $600 billion. Estimated for 2024, man. Comparisons, equivalent to 200% of the US GDP. Would stack up 8 Wills Towers, Chicago Tower skyscraper. Wow. Could purchase every home in the US. Impact, increased taxes, rising interest rate payments may necessary future tax hikes, reduced investments, economic vulnerabilities. But I want to have some, can you show this info as chart? We want to see some visuals, guys. Let's grasp some more in-depth representation of the situation. Maybe some pie chart or some. Okay, we have something over here. Okay, so you can slide on the side. This is debt per capita. Okay, and then you have the largest creditors of the US. Surprise, surprise. We have 25%, which is in Japan, 25% Federal Reserve, 25% China, and the Social Security Trust. Wow. So guys, as you can see, any material information or numeric information could be represented over here by charts, by visualization, and text analysis and comparative analysis, as we saw over here. What this means for the economy, what this debt could actually do to the economy, to the individuals, and to the businesses. And essentially over here we saw that there will be a major impact if this debt continue to grow with the same rate. For more tips like this, guys, subscribe and like this video.